Welcome to the Politricks, watch. This is Sir P. Now, I'm the one in the previous video. Right. So, back to get under people's skin again. People get, angry. Become boisterous when they met them to my video. Because nothing no bun you like the truth. The truth hotter than bun, Even though nothing no bun you like the truth. Me say nothing no bun you like the truth. But the truth hotter than when you get bun. And the truth is, the society, our society, is riddled with some of the biggest fraudsters, hypocrites and fake woke activists I've ever seen in my life. These people are vile, clout chasers. That's all them do. Clout chase and ride wave. When time the wave is against quote unquote crime, then them burn out crime and criminals and say, police kill them, no trial. But when the wave is to support a popular criminal, them say, yo, stuck your mama anybody there. I'm not care if it get convicted. The Privy Council said this and that. They make it up as they go along. These people are vile. I'm talking about your favorite Iron Man, your favorite blogger guy, your favorite influencer guy, even the guy up on the corner street. Vile. Can't even be consistent. Story bust out. Hip hop guy, Diddy. Video come out in my beat, woman. People are showing me. Look at YouTube. There's so and so this in the comment section. I burn out. But not then there's a free such man who also beat and butter bruise woman. Yes. Me see how much Gen Z Jezebel in the comment section all over the place. On the foreign platform no matter about Diddy if he dead. Any man putting hand on a woman for dead. Them say that cause Diddy not have enough dancehall tune. Him have tune, Diddy have only a tune, but he not have enough dancehall tune. Should I drop on 5 dancehall tune? Diddy had the same make the mistake you. Diddy, your real mistake wasn't beating Cassie because they're not a problem man beat woman. Regular them heroes and beat woman. They're not a problem with that. The problem them have is that they never give them enough dancehall tune. Should I drop on 5 dancehall tune? Should I drop on tune but not really man? Hey girl bend over and skin out. Then them that say yeah. Then them that different you. Them that different you. Let me explain something to you, this Irie guy. Your favorite hero beat woman. Whatever you not say about Diddy now, apply it to your hero then. The man them who not set free now and the man them who set free back then. Beat man. Hard. Kick, thump, box down. Remember when I met the first Jack Hero video? Them say if I left Jack Hero alone. Remember Jamaica had a national free Jack Hero campaign? Jack Hero went to jail. Jack Hero at gunpoint hold on a woman and violate her at gunpoint. Armed raper bull. Your hero, Jack Hero, beat, rape, torture, all kind of things too, man. I wanna love him still, man. Matter of fact, on the launch a free Jack Hero campaign. Remember the Jack Hero campaign? The freak sprat Barabbas even go as far as to say Zebra rapers allow him free Jack Hero when Jack Hero was also in jail for rape. That's why I know so when can't convince me. Say the mongrel that walk on the road no smarter than some of these people. Your idol Barabbas, Vibes Diddy, say when the free Jack Hero campaign, free the raper bull Jack Hero, woman beat a Jack Hero. When you run that campaign there, your hero Barabbas say Zebra a rapist, so allow him. But free Jack Hero when Jack Hero was also in jail for the same charge Zebra depend. But them like Jack Hero, them never like Zebra. And somebody where them like co-sign Jack Hero. Jack Hero was co-signed by the whole industry. All of them did I say free Jack Hero. So the public, being what Barabbas say they are, sheep, were on the free Jack Hero wave. So they say make Zebra turn in there. Cause him hold on woman. But make Jack Hero free because, well, him do the same thing as Zebra do, but we like him more. And him have more tune. That shows you that the celebrity guy, the DJ guy is so influential, him can make the nation fall in love and have sympathy for a rapper bull. The same people who say them burn out rapper bull and all rapper bull must end. All rapper bull must end. Remember? No trial. Now that them say? Jamaican people claim say if you're a rebel, no trial, jungle justice. So I say alright, make a start to jack you. Them say no dog, every man make mistake. So let me talk to the average Jamaican man out there, you know. I talk about non-famous, no name, no clout, no money Jamaican guy. When time I make these rules, say who beat woman and who rape woman for dead, they matter about you. Or somebody with them know and like. Because when the somebody popular have clout or them know the somebody like the somebody, then all of a sudden they become so sympathetic to the rapper bull. Your hero, Jack Ure, ruined the life of that woman. Lamobia. That woman, right? Now we know that sometimes there's many cases woman tell like a man about them thing. Say man rape the man not no go so. Jack Ure case was as solid as it can get. I've read that case entirely. Now that's a court case, but even right from the Mobile PIA, that story is no secret. Only no know Jack Ure for him boss no. And a lot of time boss no know him. Just hear man have sung. Unlike him voice because he's a talented guy, super talented guy. You've never hear me take away nothing from none of your favorite artists when it comes down to their musical ability. Whether it's rapper bull Jack Ure, right? The Coke Dread Boudreaux, the Bi-Spiritual Freak, right? Vibes Barabbas, without none of them, I've always given them credit for their musical ability. As a matter of fact, I told you it's because of their musical ability why they are Pied Pipers and they can lead entire people, right, down the river go drown. But the whole around that say free Jack Ure. People who say them are women's rights activists, people who say them are feminists and them support this and support that, we're saying free Jack Ure. So guess what? Say free Diddy. Wanna see our next wave for ride? Just like how they ride the Donnelly wave, remember? The same people them who talk about Maitland for this and Maitland for that. I see them people them who say me for dead cause me I call my name and me informer. The same people them who say right until the Privy Council says somebody do something then they believe it. Are the same people them who say Maitland killed Donnelly. So let me ask you something. When Privy Council tell us that Donnelly was killed by Maitland, when was Maitland's Privy Council hearing? That's what I thought. People are frauds. Worse than a crocodile with some dirty water. Everything these people stand for is based on clout and hype and wave. Whichever wave them see for run. And ride upon like them ride upon. When the scammer wave cool, them ride the scammer wave, they're pro-scamming. But then when somebody they like get scammed, then they're anti-scamming. They're anti-financial fraud. Remember what them say? Scamming is a non-violent crime. Nobody not dead. They not kill nobody. Remember that? Then we say you see them both get chopped. And all of a sudden we start hear a story about oh man work hard. A man shouldn't get this because man work hard. So nobody else will get scammed by your favorite chopper. Them not work hard. Are you seeing both alone work hard? People are pathetic. Hurry up and hit the dislike button. What you waiting on, guy? Hit the dislike button. Everything them say them stand for comes with an asterisk. And that asterisk is who is the person involved. They have no issue with the what. It's all about the who. Your hero Vibes Barabbas. His goons stand up in a circle and take turns and beat Gaza Kim till she piss up herself. As Barabbas skin off him teeth and go build one tune about it. Your back sir, no master and name. You hear that and you say, see, they make one tune son of him. Let me repeat, your hero Vibes Barabbas make the man them beat Gaza Kim till she urinated on herself. Ling box Gaza Kim till she pissed up herself. And that same Gaza Kim go back in a media go start to give advice. She try to pander to the Gaza crowd. Booking she look. Gaza fans them now book your Gaza Kim. You had an opportunity to stand for something. You could have been the face of violence against. Hey, let me explain something to the Jamaican guy. Jamaican guy, listen carefully. When you see them put up things about stop violence against women, they're talking about you, no name, no status guy. They're not talking about them favorite celebs. They're not talking about them favorite Don and them favorite chopper and the money have money and clout. Them man they can beat and kill as much woman as them want. Them rate Tesha, them rate Black Man, them rate Barabbas, them rate all these people who beat, torture and kill many a woman. When Barabbas and Momo war, him send man go kill the man. Family in Waterford. Murder the woman, now us. Be a gunshot. They don't care. It's because you don't stand for nothing. What you stand for is idolatry. Idol worshipping. So if it's your idol, then you can look past it. Then you're forgiving. But even a check for this money or this man on a name on a cloth in a Iron Man, then if it dead. Now that them say, man who put them hand on woman for dead. We all saw that video of George Wright treating that woman like it was WWE. Labor right guy say, hey, the woman forgive him and move on, so you should too. Mind your business. Your favorite artist, Jack Ure, enough of them. Your favorite artist them beat woman. Jamaican guy, Jamaican girl, listen carefully. Don't say nothing about the Diddy case unless you have publicly called out your favorite Jamaican artist who beat woman regular. Them beat woman for fun. Beat and batter. If you overlook your favorite Jamaican dancehall artist who beat woman, keep your mouth locked about Diddy. That not have nothing to do with you. Enough. Because if you truly want to protect women as you claim, and against women abusers as you claim, then you wouldn't support the people who you support. And you wouldn't have set free the people who you set free. So enough. Yes, the big story I go on there and be a part of it. Your favorite hero them beat woman hard. Beat and batter. So be consistent. Do you want the violence to stop? Do you want domestic abuse to stop? When these people like the person doing the abusing, them say, mind your business. Your bad mind. When they like the person who's getting abused, them say, abuse of the dead. These are clowns. All them need is a red nose and a wig. Clowns. The same people them who sit down and call man name when a somebody dead with them like. No one tell us that them the likes the look at YouTuber because he call man name and my farmer, and you see the inconsistency and you can't call it out. You can't call out these clowns because you are desperate for entertainment any way you can get it. And these clowns have figured it out. So every dummy is now a vlogger. And every man and them pet dog have opinion on everything. When just 4 years ago, being a YouTuber was a this. Remember, that's how I became the little YouTuber now. Him and nobody, him just one little YouTuber. That's how I took the title, little YouTuber. In case you don't know the history of it, that's where it came from. When I first started dropping something video, one of the distant them used to give artists and them people who think so them a big time celebrity and above YouTubers was saying him just one little YouTuber. Now everybody a YouTuber. All artists on YouTuber. Right? All artists are big YouTuber now. Now, I don't know about you, but I pick and choose very carefully who me listen to. But I realize I only listen to anybody. So excuse me when I see people putting out statements and making all kind of nice about abuse. Excuse me, pardon me for not being impressed. Let me explain something to you now. What's happening to Diddy? Bigger than the whole now. Bigger than me. The entire music industry, entertainment industry knew who Diddy was and what he was getting up to. And all of a sudden, everything does a crumble. That's how it works in that devil-infested entertainment industry. The entertainment industry, Hollywood, music, all of that is the devil's playground. Your favorite artist them, your favorite celebrity them, obviously Simba Simon, not all. In everything there's exceptions. But there's very few people who go into the entertainment industry and don't get tainted. There's very few people, all of them start out conscious and then start out good and then start out this. Very few people go into the entertainment industry and don't get tainted. Very few. I devil's puppet them. I'm talking about occultists, blood drinking, pitness sacrificing, sprat rituals, all kind of things. Diddy was well known for him do. Everybody who are born out Diddy now in America, they know what Diddy do before video drop. And the one of them used to party around him. All of a sudden everybody have morals and ethics and values. This is ridiculous. And the same thing for one time, R. Kelly, everybody, the video come out along with R. Kelly. A pee-pee on one girl was like 12 or 13 or something like so. The man a pee-pee on the girl. Pee-pee. Urinating. And the industry still work with R. Kelly right through. And then all of a sudden it was no longer cool to listen to R. Kelly. This is what they have done. The industry would turn a blind eye, aid and abet R. Kelly for much years. Suddenly turn around now and I tell the public say, well, you are the evil people if you listen to an R. Kelly song. No, you are the evil one because you back him and support him and shelter him. Now them I say, stop listening to Step in the Name of Love. Stop listening to Fiesta. Stop listening to I Wish. Remember, you know, celebrities. Now I tell people, dirty demon celebrities. I tell regular people say, if you listen to I Wish your Virgin Funeral, you're a bad guy. When the same dirty demon celebrity, right, know R. Kelly I do long, have more information about R. Kelly and the public and still never business. So now they want to share, they want to drop the guilt upon the people. No. No youth, and that's how it work. Are you the devil? Celebrity guy, actor guy, artist guy. I see anything with Diddy. Now them are going to make people feel, now them are going to say, if you listen to one song with Diddy upon it, then you're the devil. No, you're the devil, artist guy. I only work with him. Only that him house party. Diddy has never invited me on a house party yet. There's nobody from the Patreon squad ever go on a house party in a Diddy yard yet. Whatever him do long time. None of these stories are new. Whether Harvey Weinstein or Jeffrey Epstein, none of these stories are new. But these devil celebrities, man, sit down and gallivant and rub up in the mess. And then when a time for that somebody they fall, I don't know who did it upset, but a theme time to fall, because this is how the entertainment industry work. But the people them where you see, right, we claim to them about out this and a jump on TikTok and a jump on social media. Other celebrities where you see a talk about the Diddy issue, they are not better than Diddy. They're about the same thing. And for them time soon come too. These are devils, occultists, blood sacrifice, drinking, right, picnic trafficking, right, sprat, little boy molesting, diet coke pushing, right, clansman linking, right, devils. So all you people who are jump up on a love woman and on a woman's rights activist and a feminist, lie them at hell. They're inconsistent. The people that want to sit down to and listen at daytime beat woman, black and blue them eye, multiple times. And you know that and you don't care. So any Jamaican are getting involved in the Diddy story, unless you have a history of being consistent, nobody that's enough. When I tell me about kill him, but free him, nothing can go so. No song you can sing so. So don't forget to hit the side button, because I know so that when I get on the skin. But that's what I do when I'm not bad-minding scammers. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circling. Bless.